Swamiji, I want to drop my restlessness, worry, fear, and anxiety at your feet. I need your blessings.
Tathastu. I'll
Thank you.
complete you. I'll complete you. I'll see to it now all that is taken out in this process itself. I'll just pull it out.
சாமிஜி சாமிஜி
ஆ
22 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் இன்றைக்கி தான் ஜி அழுதுருக்கேன் நான்.
நல்லது.
எங்கள் அப்பா இறந்தது கூட நான் அழுவலை. வீட்டில் எல்லாம் திட்டினாங்க ஏன் அழுவலைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. பட் இன்னைக்கு கம்ப்ளீஷன் பண்ண பிறகு தான் தெரியுது அது
இல்லை சில நேரத்தில் நம்ம வாழ்க்கைக்கும் நமக்கும் நடுவில் பெரிய தூரத்தை எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்துடுறோம். இப்போது அழாமலே இருக்கிறவன் பலசாலின்னு அர்த்தம் கிடையாது, அழறவன் பலவீனமானவன் அர்த்தம் கிடையாது. பலவீனத்தால் அழாது இருத்தல் அதுதான் பலசாலித்தன்மை. ஸோ அந்த ஃப்ரீஸ் ஆனது உடையிறது நல்லது தான், நல்லது.
நன்றி ஜி. அதே மாதிரி ஜி நான் நிறைய பேர் சொல்லுவேன் எல்லாரும் நீங்கள் செய்கிற தப்புக்கு நீங்கள் தான் காரணமாக இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. கடைசியில் நான் என்னுடைய காரணத்துக்கு இருந்திருக்கேன்றதை இன்றைக்கி தான் நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறேன் சாமி. நன்றி நன்றி ஜி.
செய்யும் பொழுது தான், அனுபவம் ஆகும் பொழுது தான் நம்மளையே திரும்பி பார்ப்போம்.
நன்றி ஜி.
இயற்கை.
My youngest brother died just when he was 1 year old, 4 days before birthday. It was the first death I experienced. It's still not left my
Okay.
there is no incompletions there because
No, tomorrow when we work on death, I'll pull it out. Tomorrow we are going to work on death. We are all going to go to the Manikarnika Ghat. Everything is organized.
thank you Swami.
Tomorrow night we will spend in Manikarnika Ghat.
Swamiji, on
Yes.
the lady side.
Ah.
On previous IAs, I've done completion, and now I hadn't found my root pattern. Now I have it, but how can you, like, the only incompletions I have now are the ones that have passed in these 2 years. I couldn't remember anything else.
Sometime the process does so intensely, happens so intensely. In your case, I did not even wait for you to discover, I pulled it out. You understand? That is why you did not have the problem. Now, with this understanding of your root pattern, complete whatever is you accumulated in last 2 months, 2 years. I'll clear it.
And how can I avoid, like, I'll still be coming back, but how can I avoid, like, these incompletions? to keep-
Now with this root pattern understanding, if you complete, you will not accumulate it anymore.
Swamiji, deity side.
Deity side. First thing I want to tell you, how many of you found out it is so much of misunderstanding, so much of me, that makes hell for your life. There is so much me. Literally, you try to suck the blood of every person who comes around you. No, look in your relationships, the way you relate. You are nothing more than nothing less than an octopus. Just put the hand around the neck. Please understand, and the funny thing is, you feel sucked. You just suck the other person's blood, and you understand the offense is the best way of defense. My blood is sucked. My blood is sucked. My blood is sucked. We cry loudly so that even we start believing that. How many of you understood this? Maybe a little more completion today, and I will also work on awakening your Kundalini Shakti and heart center, the Anagata Chakra. This is the region where this violent memories and love experience both are stored. If the Kundalini is not activated, violent memories become default action. If the Kundalini is activated, the violence comes down and you just become a livable person. Actually, I tell you, till you bring completion as a lifestyle, you are not even livable person. Being livable is totally different. It has nothing to do with your wealth, your name and fame, your popularity, the looks, your dimension, nothing. Being livable is dependent only on the level of completion you have with yourself and others. It has nothing to do with anything else, the car you drive or the house you live. No. I have seen some of the horrible fellows in the palaces. I tell you, I lived in huts of India and almost all major palaces. I have at least 12 kings, the present kings, my disciples. I have lived in all palaces, major palaces. The place where you live has nothing to do with you. I have seen some of the horrible fellows in the palaces, some of the most sweet people in normal huts. That does not mean all people in the palaces are bad and all in the huts are good. No, I don't want to tell that. It has nothing to do with the place you live, the car you drive, or the way you look, or the way you dress up. Nothing. It is the level of your completion that makes you livable or lovable. That makes you livable or lovable. Yes. First get the mic and then get my attention. Ask my attention. Go ahead.
I'm so tired. I was feeling like running away from this hole every single day since the beginning. And I'm quite reluctant to do the work. So I request your help.
My blessings. I'll support you.
And
maybe it is too heavy that you don't want to face you. I'll support you. Today I'll see to it you are comfortably facing you.
thank you. And I also request
And do one thing. You do as much as you can. Else the remaining part I'll do. You just try your effort. At least act as if you are trying. No, really. Do at least that much. Else the remaining work I'll do. Because the ethics of an enlightenment is, I cannot interfere into you unless you want me to do that work. Understand? Even if you struggle to do something in you, I have a right to interfere and complete you and help you. Otherwise, I don't have a right to enter in you and complete you. You just at least act as if you are trying. Then I'll do the job.
And I also request your blessing for Nityananda Dohan in December.
Tatast. Actually, these fellows here, these 5, 6 are the intelligent guys. You can sit around me and you can see in the full screen. You guys got hold of the right seat, the prime seat. Actually, these guys can't see in the LED.
Swami. Swami,
Go ahead.
you said there was no other. So when you say you complete with yourself and you complete with your other, there is no other, right?
No, when you complete with yourself, the effect which has happened in you, you will suddenly see that it has happened in them.
Oh, okay, that's how you meant it. Could you also help me with my anger? I mean, I recognize.
Now I'm going to do that only.
Okay, because I recognize.
I'm going to work on your heart center,
Okay.
pulling out all the pain. See, anger is not actually a quality, it is the smell of the pain and frustration. Pain and frustration only is the quality. Anger is the smell of the pain and frustration. Like if there is a flower, you will see the smell. But smell is not flower. It is from the flower. So if you are directly fighting with anger, you will never win. You have to fight with the pain and frustration. Only then anger will disappear.
Right. I mean, I feel like I have reached the root, but I still feel that there's still anger.
That is okay. You tried your best now. Leave it. Now I'll do my job. say, basically, the ultimate truth is you can't make it on your own, you have to be given. But if I directly give, you don't even believe it has been given to you, or it is happening to you. Only if you struggle a bit and then I give, you understand the value of what has been given to you, you start living it. Otherwise, you take it for granted and abuse it. That's the reason, first I ask you, you struggle with yourself. Put your mirror, stare, and talk. You try. When you can't, don't worry. You are in the right understanding. Now I will do the job. You are asked to do on your own just for you to understand you can't do it on your own. That's enough.
Thank you.
Swami Sarvangi Pidam side. Swami, as I told you that I have taken in this Reiki and crystal healing, so I have given 2-3 people healing also, but I want to really come out from those karmas. Please
The
help me.
organization tell and show me the photograph of the 2-3 people whom you healed.
Okay.
I'll heal them and relieve you from that karma.
Okay. I need to collect those photos.
You should collect it. That's the only way I can free you.
Okay.
Otherwise, what you healed will haunt you. Don't allow that.
Oh, no, I don't want. One more.
Better get the photographs.
No, I'll get that. And Swami, I also want to come to the Nityanandam.
Tatast.
Thank you, Swami.
I'll make it happen.
This process has left me curious about a memory.
No, little slow.
This process has left me curious about something that I've blocked out of my memory. I was wondering if you'd be able to reveal it to me. Sorry. When I was 15, me and my girlfriend were watching TV. We both passed out. There was a blackout. There was an explosion. And when we woke up, we were both crawling backwards into the wall. Neither of us know what happened. My parents heard it as well. I was just wondering if you could shed some light.
I'll help you to remember the whole thing now in this process.
Thank you. Thank you.
Swamiji,
Which
Mahadev
side?
kitchen side. Mahadev kitchen side. On your
Yes.
left. Swamiji, I am finding it quite hard to see.
Can you get the mic close?
I'm finding it quite hard to see some of the deeper patterns. I mean, I know there is a lot of emotion there, but I can't connect with it.
Okay, what I am saying, see, there is only certain layer you can dig it on your own. You doing it on your own is like picking the toothpick, with that trying to move the Everest mountain. You can't. You tried, now you are tired. I'll do the job. Leave it.
Thank you, sir.
You just try to move a few stones, I'll move the mountains. Ultimately, each of the Shivaham process, Kundalini awakening, is equivalent to 10,000 your own completion session. 10,000 session, if you sit and complete, what will happen? That will happen just by one bomb, Kundalini bomb, that Shivaham process. But you need to understand that I could reach out only this much, I am not able to. Then when that cleaning up happens, you know it's a big luck happened to you, you know you should maintain it. Otherwise, if I just do it and send the people, they think they can dirty themselves in next 1 month and come for next IA. They think it's like a Christian Catholic confession. Father, I sinned yesterday night. And the father says, all right, $30 and 10 times Hail Mary. Father, last time itself I deposited for this sin also. So I don't want that to become... No. That's the reason I'm asking you to do, when you understand the depth, then come on. I'll do it so that you will maintain the standard.
I discovered during the completion today how much grief was hidden in my system. I was, as a student, caught in a fundamentalistic evangelical group. So they like that you don't feel much. It's more thinking and obeying. So I missed the offerings of God.
Bring him. No, please go ahead. You go ahead.
I missed the real offerings of life. I missed the nicest women, So the understanding gave me a lot of pain how stupid I have been busy. So I ask your help for
I'll heal it.
the grief.
In this session, I'll clear it.
Thank you.
You'll become all right. Don't worry. Did you eat anything allergic? Now? Then why is he coughing? I don't think dust. Something is in the stomach only I saw now. I'll heal him.
Nityanand Swamiji,
Yes. Go ahead.
Swamiji, I want to share a unique experience today, Swamiji. When I shared today about my father and sister, I did not feel anything, Swamiji. I only learned from my completions and felt that I should move forward. But when one of the participants shared with me, when I saw her eyes, I really felt my mother is just before me, Swamiji. And when she started telling her problems, I couldn't control Swamiji. Like I was just thinking, why are you suffering like this, mother? For these simple things, why are you suffering like this? And I was just couldn't control that one, Swamiji. All the problems that she's telling, it's as if like my mother is telling. I was just looking to her eyes, and I got heavy pain in lower abdomen, Swamiji.
It will become all right. Don't worry.
Yes, Swami. Thanks.
Nityanandam Swamiji.
Ma, do you need to give him any medication and assist him or no need? Okay. Did he eat anything which is allergic? I think, Ma, till I heal, don't give anything which is allergic to him. I myself will energize and give him, so it will not have any effect. Till then, be careful. I'm just working on him, literally rebuilding his system. Did you give anything today which is allergic to him? Oh, same food. But now I'm seeing something in the stomach. Okay, maybe give him a little water to drink. Let me clean it up. Go ahead.
Nityanandam Swamiji. Swamiji, I've been trying to find my root pattern, not been able to find. Jnanasarupa Swami helped me, but after that I remembered something which was even before that. But I'm not sure now what is my root pattern.
The earliest one.
Earliest one, but I need more help on that.
That is enough. I'll take care.
Okay.
Do completion with it, I'll take care.
Okay, and
I'll collapse the whole thing.
Sure. And then while doing this, writing all the things, there were many points which did not come to me. My mind was all blank, kind of thing. And I was not able to gather points at all. So I don't know if that is going to
You tried your best, na?
Yeah, I did my best.
That's enough.